Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can post both vertical and horizontal photos on Instagram together within the same post. Open the Instagram app, tap the plus icon to create a new post, then tap this button to select multiple items. I've got two photos here, one shot vertical, one was captured landscape. We'll tap next, and by default, it usually crops both into a square, which obviously isn't ideal. To get them displayed in their original aspect ratios instead, tap this ratio button. Looks like a little resizing icon. And on some versions of the Instagram app, you might see this sort of floating around the bottom left corner of your photos. So locate the button, give it a tap, and you'll get options for either portrait or landscape, depending on your photo selection. Square or mixed. When I switch to mixed, you'll see this photo keeps its original landscape dimensions, while the other one also keeps its original vertical aspect ratio. Important note here, if you don't see that mixed option at all, it means you're on an older version of the Instagram app. If that's the case, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, update Instagram to the newest version, and the mixed option should show up after that. Now, with both photos showing in their original format, you just go through the usual posting steps from here. Captions, tags, whatever you'd like. And that's it. So that is how you post both vertical and horizontal photos together on Instagram. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks. Until next time.